everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to calculate time in Google Sheet. Let's say I have this table, a database on certain employee with his time in and out. So this means he checked in for his job and checked out of his work. So in order to find the duration between these two time, what we need to do is first make this both in a format that is time. So select this time in and out column, go to format and go to numbers. Here in this drop down menu, you will see time. Now it's in the correct format of time. So again, select the column where you want to put the time worked or duration. And again, go to formats, numbers, and this time click on duration. So now we need to calculate. To calculate, just press equals to in your keyboard and just minus this timeout with time in cell. So here, just select this and press minus and this. Now if you press enter, you will get the duration between the time in and time out. So to copy the formula, just drag this and you will get the time. So let's say I have to calculate the total time for these 4 days. Then I will create something like this. And here I'll just sum it up. And that's it. And that's the total time worked for these 4 days. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one.